The National Industrial Court (NIC), sitting in Abuja on Tuesday, nullified the provisions of the amended Terms and Conditions of Service for Officers of the Nigerian Armed Forces (HTACOS), which made it mandatory for soldiers to serve for a minimum of 15 years before they could be allowed to resign. The court, in a judgment that was delivered by Justice Emmanuel Sublimi, declared the provision as both oppressive and a gross violation of fundamental rights that are protected by the 1999 Constitution as amended. The verdict followed a suit which the dissatisfied Air Force personnel Flight Lieutenant J.A. Akerile lodged before the court. The claimant who told the court that he was commissioned in 2013 as a pilot officer during the administration of former President Goodluck Jonathan specifically challenged what he described as a systemic persecution and victimization by authorities of the Nigerian Air Force (NAF) after he applied to disengage from service. He told the court that the then Chief of Air Staff not only rejected his resignation letter, but equally declared him AWOL with a signal issued for his arrest. Narrating his ordeal, the claimant, in an affidavit he filed in support of the suit that was entered on his behalf by human rights lawyer Inibehe Effiong, averred that he told the court that the bitter experience he was subjected to caused him severe emotional distress, feelings of victimization, and a lack of sense of direction. Delivering his judgment in the matter on Tuesday, Justice Sublime faulted the decision of Air Force authorities, saying it was akin to forcing soldiers into modern-day slavery under the guise of national service, declaring that members of the armed forces had the statutory right to retire or resign voluntarily. The court struck down the 15-year compulsory service requirement provided by the HTACOS.